What's up guys, in today's video we're going to show you how you can get the latest working iOS jailbreak for 26.3. This is working on all devices. We've done the jailbreak testing this week so you guys don't have to. Yes, we're releasing it a little bit later, but that's because we have to check and make sure that these jailbreaks are working correctly and they've got no vulnerabilities whatsoever. Now, the website that we've been testing out without having any problems at all is this one here. Now, it's called getjailbreaks.com. As you can see here in the address bar, it's getjailbreaks with an S.com. Now, on the website, you can see straight away here that they tell you what devices they work on. So basically every device. And we've already read the small print, so you don't have to, because obviously we want to make sure that everything's working correctly and it covers different things. So for example, this website in particular, this will work with Checkra1n that actually supports the installation of both Cydia and Sileo, which is obviously important for us because we will most likely be doing another video soon for Checkra1n with Cydia. So guys, what you want to do once you're on the website is go ahead and click on the Get Jailbreak Now button. And once you've done that, you're going to see the little prompt pop up, and then go ahead and click on that. Once you've done that, go to your phone settings and look for the profile downloaded option. And once you've opened that up, you're going to see that it's giving you this here. So go ahead and click on Next, Install. And that's basically it. Now, once you've gone to your home screen, you're going to see Checkra1n has in fact downloaded to the phone. So you can go ahead and click on that and open it up and just wait a couple of seconds and it will pop up. So as we can see here, we've got the Sileo with the Checkra1n. So what you want to do now is go ahead and click on the jailbreak button. Now guys, one thing I do want to warn you about is there's a lot of videos that are telling you to adjust your settings on your phone. Please do not do that. The reason they're telling you to do that in most cases is because they want you to make your phone vulnerable for their attack. So do not adjust any settings on your phone. You do not need to do that if you're using a good jailbreak, even if it's unofficial. And as long as it's been tested out by people such as us from Timmy Tech, you don't need to worry at all. Now, we've already downloaded the Sileo. As I say, we've done the jailbreak. Now, guys, when you do jailbreak, it's going to ask you to verify your device. And the reason they're doing that, for obvious reasons, is because they don't want anyone compromising their website by sending continuous downloads for the jailbreak. So once you've done that, you go ahead and click on the verify your device button, and all you've got to do from there basically is to answer a few questions or download a couple of apps. Now, as you can see, it's now got the Sileo on my phone, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and that's it. So you can get your wallpapers, you can get everything you want for your phone. It's working perfectly, guys. Please don't forget to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe.